Because average production in the entire country is just minimal, is about 2.5 kilos per bush. We want to increase this to at least 6 kilos per bush over this revitalization program period. And we have also decided to go to virgin areas, potential areas that are coffee growing, like in Rift Valley, in Western, in Nyanza, so that those potential areas also start growing coffee. And we are happy as government that those areas have really taken up. And now, even if you look at the seedlings intake, those are now the leading takers of the seedlings.
I'm happy about the revitalization of coffee that is happening today in Nimekugia. My big question and my happiness is that if this program can continue and the CRI is able to give contracts to the societies to do this revitalization properly, in a span of 4 or 5 years, we can have been able to have new seedlings for the coffee. Because what is happening is that the old trees is like any female. Any female, they have their menopause stages. When you grow too old, you cannot sire. And that's the truth. When a coffee is 50, 60 years old, any coffee that's about 15 years old, I want to assure you for free as a farmer. Me, I do it and I know. Was forced to change my trees. So that if you want to produce better, you must have young trees, and then you make sure that those trees, you exchange them in between 15 and 20 years.
If this program is actually to bear fruits, let the government help the factories to have proper machinery or infrastructure like the coffee drying beds.